1,283 days till New halving, 47 days till the election, and fear and greed sitting at 45, which is fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at the 60.4k. Finally, we had a pretty good pump from the support of 48k. On the forum time frame and daily time frame, we're trading above the 200 EMA. We're trading at a 60k range, meaning at the middle of the falling channel at the daily time frame, which is pretty good. On the daily time frame, we're having a couple of downtrend resistances, not significant one, pretty short term, but it's definitely out there. On the weekly time frame, picture is looking pretty good. We're trading above the previous candle, which is pretty great. There's flipping happening on a weekly MACD, some bullish signs there about to happen. On the monthly time frame, picture is also looking pretty nice. With the current September candle is green, which is usually historically September is the worst month for the Bitcoin. But obviously we're hoping to have also a green close on the current candle, because close that is matters. So yeah, but right now we're definitely in a green. We need to have a close above 59k to be in a green for the current month, and obviously hoping that October will be same bullish as pretty much every other Octobers. And obviously monthly MACD is looking pretty bad, giving us some bearish sentiment there, but we're hoping that we're gonna see the same reversal as it was in the previous bull cycle in 2021, when we had a pretty nice flip from September to October and was on a monthly MACD, and was we made a new all-time high there. So yeah, it's pretty much all for the Bitcoin. Gold is trading at a range of new all-time high. S&P made a new all-time high, by the way, and currently trading at a range of new all-time high again. Recently we had two V-shaped recoveries. First one at the beginning of August was pretty big one, and just a week ago we had another one after the 2.5 CPI data for US inflation. So let's move on to the Ethereum. Ethereum is definitely underperforming Bitcoin, pretty visible on Ethereum Bitcoin pair, trading below the falling wedge. And because of that, BTC dominance is pumping. BTC dominance currently sitting at 58.5%. Recently we had a breakout out of the 57.5%, and now we're trading at the 58.5%. And because of that, altcoin dominance are dropping. Same goes to the Ethereum dominance, currently sitting at 13.7%. So yeah, obviously hoping to have a breakout out of the downtrend resistance and to test the top of the falling channel, have the breakout there, and the all-time high would be pretty nice. So that's pretty much all for today. Let's move on to the news. And yesterday we had one of the biggest inflows recently, which was $186 million inflow in the Bitcoin ETFs, which is pretty good. Also, Bitcoin's the news from Cointelegraph. Bitcoin's local market structure could push BTC price to new all-time high. So analysts saying that Bitcoin recent price action could be a sign that the path to new all-time high has begun. Again, it's pretty good bullish news to hear. They also pointing out about the falling channel that we're currently trading in the middle of it, which is, yeah, we're also paying attention for them. Also, news from Cointelegraph, risk taking will spark the next big rush of money into the crypto industry. And platforms such as Eigenlayer, Symbiotic, and Karak are charting new territory or on the frontier of risk taking. Again, more money, more liquidity to the crypto industry, meaning more bullish sentiment for the Bitcoin and for the whole crypto industry in general. That's what we love to see, and obviously that's pretty good. Also in the news coming from Singapore, Singapore's biggest bank, DBS, to launch Bitcoin and crypto option trading which again, more variety how whales can enter the Bitcoin. Pretty good, more positive sentiment for Bitcoin, more adoption and more tools for whales to accumulate Bitcoin. Also, in the news coming from Germany, so Deutsche Digital Assets just launched a macro Bitcoin ETP today. Again, more adoption. As you can imagine, because we're pumping, we're having pretty bullish news today. Also in the news, CNBC been pretty bullish on Bitcoin lately. So they're saying that crypto industry spent $190 million on a current US election so far. So you can see there's use for the crypto even in a US election, in the current one. Obviously 47 days left till the election, hoping that we may see some beginning at least of the bull cycle, to hit the top of the falling channel, which would be at 68.5k. But again, if it's gonna happen after, it would be okay, because it's pretty usual that we seeing the beginning of the bull cycle or a breakout, whatever you name it, after the US election. So yeah, we got 47 days left till that. But for now on, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon.